to JDS. Today we're in strawberry farm, and there are so many things in strawberry farm. Look around you. There are so many things. There's runner beans. There are so many vegetables, fruits, and other things. Come on, let's go. Look at this board. This side there are runner beans and spinach and strawberries. Yay, I can't wait to taste the strawberries. And that side there is courgettes and marrows, and the potatoes are that side. Hi guys, we got a basket for strawberries, and there's other baskets for blueberries. Look, I can't wait to pick some strawberries. I'm gonna fill the whole box. I can't wait. Come on, freeze.
So we are at the strawberry pitch right now. These ones haven't fully grown yet, so we're going to the next layer.
Let's go. Look, we found one strawberry, but it's not really ripe fully, so we're going across the lane.
They're currently picking there. Picking some strawberries, so let's get into it.
Hi guys, look at this. We've got a lot of strawberries. Well, my dad has got way more than us. Do you want to see? Look how much they've got. Let's pick some more. Come on.
The cabbage section.
And right now, I've got a spare cover. And you know, the covers are £1 each. I can't believe it.
Like the one spare you took?
Yeah.